Don't study hard, study smart. Here's how. When it comes to learning English, a lot of people think they need to study harder and harder. Hours of memorizing words, repeating grammar rules, doing endless exercises. But here's the truth. Studying hard doesn't always mean studying smart. If you're not using the right methods, you can spend hours studying and still not see real improvement. In this video, we're going to show you how to study smart, not hard. We'll share simple, powerful techniques that will make your English learning faster, easier, and way more effective. Trust me, once you start studying smart, you'll never want to go back to the old way. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video. We post new English learning videos every single day to help you on your journey. Now, let's jump right into it. Focus on the 20% that matters. One of the smartest things you can do is focus only on the things that matter the most. There's a rule called the 80-20 rule. It means that 80% of your results come from just 20% of your effort. In English learning, this means a small part of what you study gives you the biggest results. For example, you don't need to know every single English word. Focus on the most common 1,000 words first. These words are used all the time in daily conversations, movies, TV shows, and books. By mastering just this small group of words, you'll understand a huge part of English. Also, focus on the most important grammar points. You don't have to master every little grammar rule. Learn the basic structures that people actually use when speaking. Things like past tense, present perfect, and common sentence patterns. Keep it simple and useful. Practice active learning, not passive learning. Passive learning is when you just listen to English songs, watch movies, or read a book without really thinking or participating. It's good for getting exposure, but it's not enough if you want real progress. You need to practice active learning. Active learning means you're doing something with the English you hear or read. For example, when you watch a movie, stop and repeat the sentences out loud. Try to copy the pronunciation, the tone, the speed. Write down new words and make your own sentences with them. When you read, don't just move your eyes over the words. Ask yourself questions. What does this word mean? How can I use it? Could I explain this paragraph to someone else? The more active you are when learning, the faster you'll improve. Active learning burns the new knowledge into your memory instead of letting it float away. Use short, intense study sessions. A lot of people think that studying for long hours is the key to success. But actually, short, intense study sessions are much better for your brain. Instead of studying for 2 or 3 hours straight, try studying for 25 or 30 minutes with full focus, then take a 5-minute break. This method is called the Pomodoro technique, and it's used by some of the most successful students and workers in the world. During those 25 minutes, turn off your phone, close other tabs on your computer, and give all your attention to learning English. Then, during your break, walk around, stretch, or grab a drink. After a few short sessions, you'll learn more than you would in a long, boring, tired study marathon. Your brain can only stay focused for a short time. After that, you get tired and your learning speed drops. So use your brain when it's sharp, not when it's exhausted. Learn with emotion. If you're bored when you study, your brain doesn't care. It won't remember what you learned. But if you're excited, curious, laughing, or feeling strong emotions while studying, your brain will remember everything much better. So find ways to make learning English emotional and fun. Watch funny videos. Listen to emotional speeches. Read exciting stories. Speak about topics you're passionate about. Also, use real-life situations that matter to you. For example, if you love sports, learn English by watching sports interviews. If you love travel, learn words and phrases related to traveling. Connect English learning to your real interests, and your motivation will explode. Review, review, review. Smart learners know that reviewing is more important than just learning new things. If you learn something once and never look at it again, you'll forget it. Your brain needs reminders. Set a review schedule. Look at the new words or grammar points you learned after 1 day, then 3 days, then 7 days, then 14 days. Every time you review, it becomes stronger in your memory. You don't have to review for hours. Just 5 to 10 minutes of quick review is enough. Over time, you'll remember everything with much less effort. Reviewing isn't boring if you mix it up. Sometimes you can quiz yourself. Sometimes you can make a game. Sometimes you can use flashcards. Make it quick and fun, but stay consistent. Wrap up. If you want to learn English fast and effectively, don't just study harder. Study smarter. Focus on the most important things. Be active, not passive. Use short, powerful study sessions. Connect learning to your emotions. And review consistently. These simple changes will save you so much time and energy, and you'll finally start to see the progress you've been dreaming about. If you found these tips helpful, please share this video with your friends. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our daily videos. Also, leave a comment below and tell us, which smart study tip are you going to try first? We love reading your comments and helping you on your English journey. See you in the next video.